Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Likee. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to App Store and download it from there. Or if you are using Android device, just go to Play Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Likee app. So just click on this. So to unblock someone on Likee, you just need to check on the block list. So to go on the block list, you can just click on the 3 line which is in the top left corner of the screen. Just click on this. So here to go to block list, go to settings here, which is in the bottom side. So now in the next step, you should go to the privacy, but in my settings, there is no privacy here because it's not updated yet. So you will be visible privacy when your app is updated. So to make you clear, here I have taken my friend's mobile screenshot and here is a privacy available. So click on this privacy and you can see in the top block list. So just click on the block list and the visible of the block list people are shown here. So here I haven't blocked people yet, but if you block someone, it will be visible here. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.